Hello guys. So today we are going to see the project demonstration of a study on e-procurement management and its effectiveness towards Power Soaps Ltd, Chennai. So it is an MBA project. So here we taken a case study of Power Soaps Ltd. Actually, the study is concentrated on e-procurement management and its effectiveness. So here this project starts with the abstracts, and these are the list of contents. So the content will be chapterized into 5 different categories. The first category will be the introduction part, and second category will be the literature review, and third part will be the methodology, and fourth will be the data analysis and interpretation, and finally the conclusion part. So here the list of figures and list of tables, abbreviations, and here coming to the content page. So the chapter 1 starting with the introduction part. So it includes the research background. So here you can see the what is the So here you can see what is procurement and what is e-procurement. And you can see the content, and chapter 1.2 include the statement of the problem. Here the problem will be what are the problem will be affect the procurement was mentioned here. So here the chapter 1.2 clearly says that the study is carried out on the e-procurement management practices and its effectiveness in the company Power Soaps Ltd. So what are the needs of study? So there are given 5 points and objectives. And coming to the 1.5th chapter, its deliverables. And chapter 2 covers the literature review, starting from review of literature. So the review of literature includes the various reference papers of previous researchers, and the research gap will be the chapter 2.2, and chapter 3 will be the methodology, research process, flow diagram, sampling methods, data processing, and tools for analysis. Generally we use simple percentage analysis, charts, chi-square test, and correlation method. And here the chapter 4, the important chapter. So here the chapter includes the data analysis and interpretation from the questionnaires from the survey. So the input data will be analyzed using various techniques. So these are all the data interpretation, data analysis and interpretation. So finally the correlation method, ANOVA coefficients, and finally the chapter 5, which includes the conclusion part, starting with the 5.1 summary of findings and suggestions and recommendations, and finally the conclusions of the project report. And there is a content for future research, and here you can see the questionnaires. So these are all the questionnaires which was asked, and the survey was made on this, based on these questionnaires only. Overall 27 questions were asked, and these are all the references and journals we used for the making of this project. So this project is about 80 pages without index page. So if you want to do a project related to this kind of thing, or if you have any own idea, or if you want this project, you can contact our executive. We have 24/7 WhatsApp support. You can contact our executive and get solution for your requirement. Thanks for watching.